See, I've come on the invitation of friends who wanted to commemorate the martyrdoms of 1857 and other martyrdoms which were given for Bharat Mata, India, that is India. And Bharat Mata without its martyrs would not have been Bharat Mata. Unfortunately, what we are seeing that under the name of Bharat Mata, you are trying to downgrade the sacrifices of these martyrs. And why they are opposing it, we can understand. See these names: Muslim, Hindu, Sikh, all laid down their lives for this Bharat Mata. And we want to tell them, nobody so far has produced this list of martyrs of 1857, 1858, 1859. First time this list of Karnataka, Kannada martyrs is being presented. Hindus, Bala Sahab, Burma, Bani Sahab, Baswanna, Bhima, Chunia Virappa, Daud Sahib, Durga, Ella, Iman Sahab, Fakir Sahab, Giryana, Gograppa, Hamid Sahab, Hammana, and even Sikhs are there. So I sing a song which we sing for all our revolutionaries. Lal Jhanda lekar comrade लड़ते जाएंगे, तुम नहीं रहे इसका गम है मर, फिर भी हम लड़ते जाएंगे. मार्टायर्स को लाल सलाम, मार्टायर्स को लाल सलाम, लाल सलाम जिंदाबाद. आपको बहुत बहुत सलाम, आपको बहुत बहुत प्रणाम. हमारे शहीदों, सारे देश के शहीदों, इस जुल्म के खिलाफ, अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ लड़ने वाले, मुगलों के खिलाफ लड़ने वाले, अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ लड़ने वाले, आज जो इस देश के अंदर जो हिंदू मुसलमान को बांटने की जो लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं, उनके खिलाफ लड़ने वाले तमाम शहीदों को लाल सलाम. धन्यवाद.
आपको क्यों लग रहा है, क्यों आप प्रोटेस्ट कराते हैं?
वो आप उनसे पूछिए, हम क्या बता सकते हैं. हम तो जो एक बहुत पॉजिटिव भी है, कम फॉर अ वेरी पॉजिटिव वर्क. Nobody has collected these names of 1857 martyrs so far. First time this organization, the friends from here, they have collected this. Paying homage to these martyrs is respecting Bharat Mata also. But if you are saying that Bharat Mata ki jai and do not bother about when we are talking of these martyrs, that is very shameful. For protest you got to talk to them. The ठेकेदार of Bharat Mata. क्या आरएसएस के कट्टर विरोधी होकर आप बात नहीं कर सकते? मैं एक ऐसे परिवार से आता हूं जिसने जाने दिए हैं मुस्लिम लीग के खिलाफ, और आज इस देश में मुस्लिम लीग का राज नहीं है, आज देश में हिंदुत्ववादियों का राज है. तो अगर उनको परेशानी होती है तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूं? मैं ये बताना चाहता हूं कि आरएसएस का जो राष्ट्र विरोधी और इंसानियत ह्यूमैनिटी विरोधी जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स है, मेरे पास जो कलेक्शन है, उसको अगर ये लोग पढ़ेंगे तो ये शर्म से डूब मरेंगे. 14th August 1947, one day before the independence of India, organizer, the RSS organ, English organ, produced an editorial. Those who have come to power through kick of fate may give in the hands of Hindu tricolor. It will never be respected by Hindus. It has three colors are bad omen. These people talk of Bharat Mata. क्या जानते हैं सावरकर ने कितने माफीनामे लिखे? मैं जिन्ना का भी विरोधी हूँ. मैं जिन लोगों ने देश को तोड़वाया उनका भी विरोधी हूँ. क्या आप ये जानते हैं कि टू नेशन थियरी द फर्स्ट टाइम वाज गिवन बाय सावरकर? सावरकर 1937 अहमदाबाद सेशन, फर्स्ट टाइम ही इज प्रेजाइडिंग हिंदू महासभा सेशन. देयर आर टू एंटागोनिस्टिक नेशंस इन इंडिया, हिंदू एंड मुस्लिम्स. हमको ये नहीं मानना चाहिए कि भारत जो है एक लड़ी में पिरोया हुआ देश है. दिस इज सावरकर सेड. जिन्ना adopts that two nation theory in 1940, 23rd and 24th March 1940. So these are anti-national people, these are anti-humanity people. 26 November 1949, Indian Constitutional Assembly passed Indian Constitution, the most egalitarian constitution, the most justice. There were problems, but that was the first kind of constitution prepared under the leadership of Baba Sahib Ambedkar ji. 4 days after that, RSS organized a write an editorial. We reject it. We want Manu Smriti. Manu Smriti. You know, they talk of Hindu Muslim, but Manu Smriti is not against Muslims, which they want Indian constitution. Manu Smriti is against Hindu women. Manu Smriti is Hindu Shudraj, Hindu Dalits. Have you asked them? See, please go and ask these questions that you wrote. You want Indian constitution to be replaced by Manu Smriti. Tell us, Manu Smriti is about whom? Is against whom? Those who say that Tiranga Jhanda is bad omen, they are RSS. What is ABVP? ABVP is the appendage of RSS, right? When it says that tricolor is bad omen, I can show you the document. Please take my book, Know the RSS. All RSS documents, I do not talk of anything else. When I talk of Jinnah's two-nation theory, I only talk of his writings, not his critique. What did they do? What did they do to Gandhiji? We are talking of Sanatan Dharma. Sanatan Dharma. He was a Sanatan Dharmist. Gandhi was who killed him? It's a question. The greatest Sanatan Dharmi was Gandhi. Was he or not? So, who killed him? Were the Pakistanis who killed him? Were the ISI people who killed him? No. These were fake pseudo-nationalists. And after killing Gandhiji, they said कि जैसे जब अपराध बढ़ते हैं तो श्री कृष्ण जी अवतार लेकर आते हैं। नाथूराम गोडसे श्री कृष्ण जी का रूप धारण करके गांधी की हत्या की। ये लिखा है हिंदुत्ववादियों ने।